Peace and blessings to all my empresses and emperors. Welcome, all you regal ones. Anyone that's new, welcome. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified of any new uploads. Also, make sure that you thumbs up the video if you like it and leave comments down below if you have any questions or if you have anything to say. And periodically throughout me talking, I may say comment down below if blah blah blah. It's just engaging and making sure that we're on point with each other. All right, as you can tell from the title already, we're going to be talking about shrinkage. I have a live chat that I do every Sunday, and I kept asking people over and over again, what do you want to see? Because I have well over 100 and something, probably close to 200 videos. I have over 300 videos on my channel, I think, but I have over 100 and something, probably close to 200 videos that's dealing with Natty dreadlocks, and it's like only so much that you could really talk about. But one thing, I might mention it in certain videos about shrinkage, or I may not have. I can't remember. It's so, I have so many, but we're going to talk about shrinkage, so let's get to it. All right, in your beginning stages, when you first start off, no matter what, of course, pop-ups are going to come on. No matter what way you started your Nazis, like me, for instance, I started off with processed hair. My hair was platinum blonde. I mean, it was, when I say platinum, it was like as close to white as as it could get, And it was because I was a color specialist, and that was something that I chose to do. I had about this much new growth, which was what I needed. I needed something that was stronger than the rest of the hair. Otherwise, it would have took forever if it ever locked, if ever. Seriously, because the ends took a long time. But just because I had that little bit of new growth, and my hair is curly. I don't know. Don't ask, please. I don't know anything about no 4Cs, 4Ds, double Ds, whatever. None of that. You know what I'm saying? When I went to school for hair, we never talked about any of that. That's something that came after, 1988, after I started doing hair. However, let's talk about shrinkage. When you first start off, I started off with 2-strand twist. And that was because that was the only way that my hair was going to do anything. I mean, seriously, because the ends were so overprocessed with color, and it made the hair straighter. I mean, my hair would get curly. Don't get it twisted. But I knew that it wasn't as strong as the roots. Okay. So as it started growing out, the ends started breaking off. The color started breaking off. But the rest of the hair started, just, it was in the beginning stages. I would say it was like maybe some months or so. And I noticed that it was like, it seemed like, oh my God, it looked like my hair is like not doing anything. But actually it really was, because when I would pull my hair at the base, I could see, I was like, oh, okay, cool. My hair is actually longer than what it looks like. It's shrinkage. This is the beginning stages. It's something that is necessary. If your hair is not, if you're not having, and this is for curlier hair, trust me, if you have straight hair, you're not going to see it like you would if you had curlier hair. This is for curlier hair types, not straight hair. So if you have, totally straight hair, if you're Caucasian or, what have you, you won't see it as much as somebody who has this ethnic that has a curlier hair pattern. And, some of us have straight hair. So it's like, you won't see that coil that I'm talking about. So yeah, when you stretch your hair, even now when I stretch my hair, as you can see, I'm pulling. And my hair is actually longer than what it appears. This is actually longer than what it appears, but that means that it's healthy. So I wanted to do that. You're going to go through more phases where it starts maturing a little bit, and you're going to see, some growth. You're going to see some different things going on. You're going to see some frizz. I still see frizz to this day all the time. Does my hair separate from my Nazis? Yes, it does. A lot of people ask me questions about that. I can show you right here. Sorry about the pit bull. But right here, if you all can see that, my hair has separated. But that is something that is totally natural. It's going to happen. So don't panic. Enjoy the process. Just go through it. Know that shrinkage is a part of the deal. I mean, you can't go through it without shrinkage. And again, if you have straighter hair, no matter what you are, um, you won't see it as someone with curlier hair. So you're gonna go through the phase where you're just like, oh, okay, well, it's starting to grow. I can see the growth or whatever. Don't worry so much about the growth as opposed to the health. Make sure that you're using your rose water, your real rose water, meaning make your own rose water and misting your hair with it. Actually, to be honest, I've talked in the past about using regular distilled water or whatever just to mist your hair like you would a plant or whatever. But I like rose water a little bit better. It seems like the hair turns out softer. So I am going to do a video for you all about that, about rose water, how to make it. I'm going to actually show you how I make my rose water. And it's no different than anybody else really on YouTube, but it's for my people that follow me. Comment down below if you make your own rose water. Comment down below if that's a video that you would like to see. So as your hair grows, I mean, you'll see like some budding. You'll see budding, and you'll be like, okay, that's different. You know what I mean? But it goes in different steps, different you can say stages. Where you're gonna see different things going on, but don't be alarmed. I mean, it's just all a part of the process. One thing that I love about my hair, and as it has matured, I consider my hair totally matured now. It's been over 15, going on 16 years. I've never cut my hair. And one thing I like about it is because of the coil, if you all can see it, because of how my hair is coiled. If you look at the end of my hair, look at that stretch. That means that's not going to break off. Sometimes when you cut your Natty dreadlocks, your hair is not going. You're not going to ever see this coil again. Sometimes. I mean, I don't know. I mean, but I like the fact that this means that it's going to stay together. It's not going to, like tatter or whatever. But I like this little curl on the ends of my hair. See how that stretches? And that's part of the shrinkage as well. That means that my hair is longer than what it is. And I'm not going to actually play with my hair. Sorry about that. Sorry. I'm not gonna ever cut my hair. I mean, because I am a freeform Natty dreadlock, and this is what I choose to do. But I just wanted to come in for a second and talk to you all a little bit about shrinkage. I know it's been a minute since I've done a video, just totally about hair, because I've been incorporating health and nutrition into my videos, which I'm on a 10-day smoothie cleanse right now with some empresses that come in on my live chats on Sunday. If you haven't been in on a live chat on Sunday, you need to come in because you're missing out on some good stuff. We talk about everything. We talk about Nazi dress. We talk about health. We talk about regular life issues. But most of all, we just collaborate with each other and learn different things. So if you can come in on Sundays at 4:00 p.m. Central Savings Time, that would be great. Also, on this Saturday, I'll be doing a live chat. I'm trying to do some Saturday live chats because I know once summer hits, there's going to be times when I can't do live chats. I know Mother's Day is coming up too. I'm not sure. Well, that's on a Sunday. But I'm still going to do a live chat, but it's up to you all, whoever comes in. But that's all I wanted to come in and talk about. I know I'm just rattling on now, so I want to go ahead and end this video. Thumbs up the video if you understand what I'm talking about as far as the shrinkage. Comment down below if you want to talk about your journey as far as shrinkage and how you feel about it and whatever. If you're new to growing your Natty dreadlocks, if you're under a year, there is really nothing you need to be doing. You need to stimulate your scalp. I mean, we all need to stimulate our scalp. I mean, in order to make things grow, when things shrink, and I'm gonna keep it real simple with you all. We're all adults here, so I'm not trying to be vulgar or anything. But when you stimulate things that have shrunk, you know, when you stimulate your scalp, just like you stimulate other things, body parts, and so that has shrunk, you will start seeing, a little bit of a stretch, So I know that that's a little bit different from the way that I talk, but it's the truth. I mean, that's as close as I can get to telling you about, shrinkage and not worrying about it. Because even though you stimulate your scalp or you pull at it or whatever a little bit, it's still going to shrink back up after a while. That's just what happens. All right, my empresses and emperors, please, please, please share this video. Comment down below if you have any other things to add to it. And, peace and blessings to everyone. Yeah, like I said, I'm feeling like a little light because I'm doing this 10-day cleansing, the smoothie cleanse. If you would like to join in with us, I will be probably doing another one behind this. I'm gonna see how I feel afterwards after 10 days. And probably I will be doing another one. So I'll let you all know. But come in on Sunday chats. All right, blessings to you all. Peace and love. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Thumbs up. Leave comments. Be a part of the family. We're regal. We're everything. And I always try to give you the information that I know from my own experiences, not from anybody else's. So if I don't talk about certain things, it's because I haven't experienced it. All right? So blessings. And to those that are new here, welcome.